In today's digital economy, one question comes up again and again. Should I start a dropshipping business or build my own e-commerce brand? They both sound promising. They both can be profitable, and they both let you run an online store without a physical storefront. But which model fits your goals, your budget, and your lifestyle? In this video, we'll break it down completely. We'll cover the pros, cons, costs, risks, and long-term potential of each. And most importantly, we'll show you how to launch either one with minimal hassle using a hosting platform trusted by entrepreneurs worldwide, Verpex Hosting. Understanding dropshipping. Let's start with dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the simplest ways to start selling online. You create an online store, list products you don't physically own, and when someone makes a purchase, your supplier ships the item directly to the customer. You never handle the product. You don't need a warehouse. You don't pay for inventory up front. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. But simplicity comes at a cost. Here are the main benefits of dropshipping. Low barrier to entry. You can start with almost no capital. No inventory management. No need to store or manage products. Quick setup. You can launch a store in days, not weeks. Highly scalable. You can test multiple products and niches with ease. But there are downsides you need to know. Low profit margins. You're not buying in bulk, so suppliers charge more. Limited branding. You can't customize packaging or create a memorable brand experience. Customer support issues. You're relying on suppliers for shipping and quality control. Shipping delays, especially when sourcing from overseas suppliers. In summary, dropshipping is ideal for beginners, for those testing a market, or anyone who wants to get started fast without much investment. But it's harder to build long-term loyalty or strong branding. What is traditional e-commerce? Now let's talk about traditional e-commerce. In this model, you buy or manufacture products, store them yourself or via a fulfillment partner, and manage your own logistics. This gives you complete control over your branding, your packaging, and your customer experience. Benefits of traditional e-commerce include higher profit margins. You can buy in bulk or create your own products. Full brand control. From product quality to unboxing experience, you own it all. Stronger customer trust. When you control shipping and service, you can deliver consistency. Scalability into a premium brand. Think long-term. This is how real companies are built. But it's not for everyone. Here are the challenges. Upfront investment. You'll need to buy products before you sell them. Storage and fulfillment. You need space or a fulfillment partner. Time intensive. Managing stock, packing, and shipping takes effort. Greater responsibility. You're accountable for the entire customer journey. This model works best for entrepreneurs serious about building a long-term, differentiated business. So, which one is better? The truth is, neither is better for everyone. It depends on your situation. Choose dropshipping if you want to test products or niches quickly. You're new to online business. You have very little capital. You're focused on market research and speed. Choose traditional e-commerce if you're ready to invest in your business. You want to build a brand with loyal customers. You care about long-term value. You want control over product, packaging, and service. How Verpex helps you succeed with either model. Now, let's talk about something most beginners overlook, your hosting platform. Whether you're dropshipping or running a full e-commerce operation, your store needs to be fast, secure, reliable, and scalable. That's where Verpex Hosting becomes an essential part of your success. Here's what Verpex offers that makes it ideal for online stores. Free domain name, perfect for launching your brand with a clean identity. Free SSL certificate, essential for secure transactions and building customer trust. Global data centers, your site loads fast anywhere in the world. Daily backups, your data is safe even if something goes wrong. Free website migration, moving from another host. 24/7 expert support, real people helping you every step of the way. Affordable pricing, hosting starts as low as 50 cents for the first month. Reseller hosting plans, ideal if you manage multiple stores or client websites. Verpex works seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and other e-commerce platforms. It's optimized for speed, uptime, and user experience. If you're building your store on WordPress, Verpex also offers WordPress-specific hosting plans with built-in performance tuning and security features. So, dropshipping or e-commerce? The choice depends on your goals. But no matter which model you choose, the success of your store depends on what supports it in the background. Your hosting, your security, your uptime, it all starts there. And that's why thousands of entrepreneurs around the world trust Verpex to host their business websites. If you're ready to take action, choose your business model, build your store, and launch it confidently with Verpex Hosting. Visit verpex.com and start your journey today. Because in online business, speed matters, trust matters, and the right foundation changes everything. Subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching.